Hey guys, welcome back to Britton Farms Homestead. Today we are gonna go ahead and make a favorite snack of mine, Cajun Boiled Peanuts. So what I have here is some raw peanuts. I got these at my local farmer's market, and I have some Cajun crab boil, and I have a crock pot and some water. That's about all it takes. I will let you know that they stink when you cook them, and they have to cook for about 8 hours. So they stink when you cook them. And we cook ours on the front porch because they stink up the whole house. But I'll show you how we make these. Hang out. I'll show you how to make boiled peanuts. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit that bell notification. And if you have a different recipe for boiled peanuts, go ahead and put it in the comments down below. Let's get it. We're now going to put in the peanuts. And just fill it up. Well, that looks like we're now going to put in our crawfish bowl. Some of it leaked out of the little bag. Comes in a little bag. And then we're going to add water. And you want to put enough in there so they don't dry out, but you also need to be able to put the lid on. And that will cook down. So that will be fine. We'll come add some more water back to it as needed. It needs to cook on high for 8 hours. Our peanuts have now been in this crock pot for 8 hours. I did have to remove some peanuts because I had too many in here. But it's been in here for 8 hours and they are done. They're still very hot. But they are done. And now you would just enjoy them. Bust them open and eat them just like regular peanuts. If you've never had boiled peanuts, they are delicious. If you're liking what you're seeing, go ahead, subscribe, like, hit that bell notification. And we have hit our 1,000 subscribers. Thank you, everybody. We appreciate it so much, you guys watching our videos. I hope you're getting something out of the videos. Go ahead, subscribe, like, put some comments down below. If you have a different recipe for boiled peanuts, put that down there. I may want to try it. Also, we are lacking on our watch hours. If you guys have time, please pull up one of our playlists and let that run so we can get those hours for our YouTube channel. It's free, doesn't cost anything. It's the best way you can support our channel. Thank you for watching. God bless you all.